orbitals in the chapter chemical bonding. Okay, these are degenerate orbitals. These are degenerate orbitals. What are degenerate orbitals? Orbitals having same energy, size and shape are called as degenerate orbitals. You take a p subshell. P subshell, this is the p subshell. P subshell has px orbital, this one, red color, blue color py orbital, black color pz orbital. Overall, p subshell has three orbitals, px, py, pz orbital. Okay, now size and energy. Compare with the 2p orbitals, 3p orbitals are larger than larger, and 4p orbitals are still larger and have more energy. Okay, next, as n value increases, energy increases, size also increases, but shape is same. What is the shape for 2p orbital? Dumbbell. 3p also dumbbell, 4p also dumbbell shape. Next, nodal planes. What are nodal planes? In these planes, probability of finding of electron is 0. It is two-dimensional. Nodal planes are two-dimensional. Nodal regions are three-dimensional. Nodal regions we can see in radial probability distribution curves. Am I correct or not? Nodal planes. These are directional. P orbitals are directional in nature. Px electron present only along x-axis. Am I correct or not? So p orbitals are directional. These are directional. P orbitals are directional in nature. P orbitals, d orbitals, directional in nature. Directional in nature. And d orbitals also directional. F orbitals also directional. But s orbitals are non-directional. You know very well. So for directional orbitals have nodal planes. So how many nodal planes? Nodal planes also called as angular nodes. How many? Equal to azimuthal quantum number of that orbital. For example, for p orbital, what is the L value? 1. That's why it has one nodal plane. Okay, only one nodal plane. So px orbital has one nodal plane. Which plane is nodal plane for px orbital? Yz plane is the nodal plane. For py orbital, it has one nodal plane. Py electron never be present in xz plane. That is the meaning. Probability of pz electron is 0 along xy plane. Okay. Px electron never be present in yz plane. Py electron never be present along xz plane. Pz electron never be present along xy plane. Okay. For p orbitals, we need distance and one direction for the probability of finding of p electron. If we need one direction, azimuthal quantum number is 1. If we need two directions, azimuthal quantum number is 2. If we need three directions, azimuthal quantum number is 3. For s orbital, no direction required. That's why azimuthal quantum number is 0. Dear students, for s orbital, non-directional, no direction. In all directions, same probability. That's why L is equal to 0. P orbital electron probability to know, we need one direction. That's why azimuthal quantum number is 1. For d orbital electron for probability, we need two directions. That's why azimuthal quantum number for d orbital is 2. Okay, that's all about that one. So what are nodal planes? In this plane, probability of finding of electron is 0. Okay, I want to say one word. The probability of finding of px electron. Px electron means electron of px orbital is 0 on yz plane. So yz plane is the nodal plane for px electron. For py electron, what is the nodal plane? Xz plane. For pz electron, what is the nodal plane? Xy plane. That's all about p orbitals and their nodal planes. Now let us go for d orbital. D orbital shape, let us know. Double dumbbell shape. Double dumbbell shape. 4 lobes are there. So this is the nucleus, 4 lobes. Here I am giving one example. This d orbital is dx square minus y square. So along x-axis 2 lobes, along x-axis 2 lobes, along y-axis 2 lobes. Okay, d subshells starts from not from K shell, not from L shell, starts from M shell onwards. So M shell means n is equal to 3. So we can see D subshells in M shell, N shell, O shell and so on. 1D, 2D are not present. Size and energy order, you know, principal quantum number increases, size and energy increases, but shape is not changed. 3D orbital has double dumbbell shape, 4D has also double dumbbell shape. Next, each D subshell, whatever it may be, whether it belongs to M shell or N shell or O shell, each D subshell has 5 degenerate orbitals. 5 degenerate orbitals. They are